I could have like a Grana Padano souvenir. Like, I'm not mad. Not mad. Blame it on the Grana. Wait. This is interesting. Oh wait, but there are two different lines. Hold on. Okay, now let me go to this one. Okay. There are two separate lines because in one there's the ski simulator, but it's hard to do it without the selfie stick. And then there's the quiz game. You guys, look at that. Look at that. Take the quiz, answer all 5 questions, and win lovely granny gadgets. Be among the first 50 participants of the day to receive a granny plush by Trudy, plus enjoy a tasty Grana Padano PDO snack. We're doing the quiz, you guys. We're doing the quiz. Are you ready? Like, need to go to the grocery store? Go. Cheese for the next cooking stream. I mean, not necessarily for the next, but I mean, è sambabile e più o meno voglio finire là alla fine, quindi ci siamo. Ina is going to be a movie star, imagine. Do you guys know and love Grana Padano as much as I do? Even for I think that I might have a mild allergy to it. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure that I have at least a slight intolerance to one type of Grana Padano cheese that you get from Lidl. I swear. Because every single time that I eat it or I just put it on my tongue, it kind of tingles a little bit. Just a little bit. But to the point that I'm is that normal? I don't know. I should get tested probably. I hope doesn't take too long. That one cheese on your pizza once? No, it wasn't on the pizza. It was on its own. Tingly tongue. Yeah, and the gums felt a little swollen, and they were the pulsating sensation. I've never had that cheese before. Ooh, I mean here, in Italy, we have a lot of different types of cheese, but the famous ones are the Parmigiano Reggiano, Parmesan, and the Grana Padano, one or the other. Then you have many more, but Grana Padano is very famous. Sounds like an allergic reaction, but it was very mild, and it only happens with that specific bag of cheese that I buy in Lidl. If I get Grana Padano in some other shape or somewhere else, it doesn't happen. But keep in mind that it's is it the DOP Grana Padano? Which means that it has to be made in a specific way, in a specific location. It's not tomorrow I wake up, I'll make a cheese and I call it Grana Padano. It has to be certified and prepared in a certain way and all of that. So technically, all of the Grana Padano cheese should come from a common ground. I think that a lot of people get that with pineapple. But aren't many people inside doing the quiz, so I hope that we're not gonna wait 3 hours. Thank you so much for your follow. Yeah, by the way, alerts are definitely not working because I didn't hear that.
Se volete già fare il giochino.
Si può già fare il giochino?
Sì.
Non ti danno niente.
Ah, ok, vai solo.
Alle 4.
Alle 4 negati.
Ma se lo fa prima il giochino bisogna aspettare poi il riposo.
Sì,
perché noi ci hanno mandato fuori, quindi sì.
Ah, vabbè, quindi chi non l'ha fatto può andare o
Sì.
state aspettando tutti?
Sì,
Posso andare già? Ok, sì.
giochino, sì.
Ok, grazie. Ok, grazie. So I was told that those people are they already did the quiz, but the gadgets will be available at 4, so in 15 minutes. I didn't realize that I was able to go inside already. DOP for the win, yeah. Let's see, hold on. You guys, we have to be ready. We are all in this together. There's a little bit of delay, so I'm not sure how much you can actually help me. Let's see. We'll see what happens.